You want to make $1 million in the stock market as a beginner? The stock market, in essence, is a marketplace where shares of public companies are bought and sold. It's like an auction house where buyers and sellers negotiate prices and make trades. This dynamic environment is not just for Wall Street wizards. It holds immense potential for anyone willing to learn and apply some basic principles. One common myth is that you have to be an experienced trader to make money in the stock market. But that's not true. With careful planning, strategic decisions, and a bit of patience, even a beginner can tap into the potential of the stock market and see significant earnings. Now that you have a basic understanding of the stock market, let's delve into how a beginner can start their journey to making $1 million. The first step to making money in the stock market is research. Now, you might be wondering, why research? Well, the stock market isn't a game of chance. It's a game of knowledge and understanding. To succeed, you need to know what you're investing in. You wouldn't buy a house without checking it out first, right? The same goes for stocks. Think of research as your due diligence. This is where you dive into the nitty-gritty details of a company. You'll want to look at the company's financial health, its management team, and its competitive position in the industry. Are they leaders or followers? Are they innovating or stagnating? But don't stop there. Keep an eye on industry trends too. Is the industry growing or shrinking? Are there new technologies or regulations that could disrupt the status quo? These factors can significantly impact a company's future performance. And let's not forget about the broader market conditions. Things like interest rates, inflation, and economic growth can all affect stock prices. So, keeping up to date with financial news is crucial. And one more thing, research isn't a one-time thing. The stock market is dynamic, always changing, so your research should be ongoing. Always be on the lookout for new information that could affect your investments. Remember, knowledge is power in the stock market. So, make research your best friend. The second step to making $1 million in the stock market is diversification. Picture this. You're at a buffet. You wouldn't fill your plate with just one dish, right? You'd choose a variety of foods to get a balanced meal. Similarly, diversification in investing means spreading your money across different types of investments or asset classes. This could include stocks, bonds, and commodities. The idea here is not to put all your eggs in one basket. Why is diversification important, you ask? Well, think about the roller coaster ride that is the stock market. Some days it's up, some days it's down. If you've invested all your money in one stock and that stock takes a nosedive, you're in trouble. But if you've spread your investments around, a poor performance by one stock won't sink your entire portfolio. Now, diversification isn't just about investing in different types of assets, it also means investing in different sectors. You don't want to invest solely in the tech sector, for instance. What if there's a tech bubble burst? Instead, spread your investments across various sectors like healthcare, finance, and consumer goods. This way, if one sector faces a downturn, your other investments can help offset the impact. Diversification is like a safety net. It won't guarantee you won't lose money, but it can help minimize losses when things go south. And remember, it's not just about minimizing losses. Diversification can also open up more opportunities for gains. Diversification can help safeguard your investments from market volatility and enhance potential returns. The third step to making $1 million in the stock market is adopting a long-term investment strategy. Now, you may ask, why long-term? Well, investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a journey. And in this journey, a long-term strategy is your steadfast companion, especially for beginner investors. Why so? Because long-term investing allows you to ride out the market's ups and downs. You see, markets can be volatile in the short term, but historically, they've always trended upwards over the long haul. By staying invested, you give your money the chance to grow and weather short-term market fluctuations. Now, let's talk about the magic of compound interest. It's the snowball effect at its finest. You earn interest on your initial investment, and then you earn interest on that interest. Over time, this can result in exponential growth. The key here is time. The longer you stay invested, the more your money compounds and grows. Let's take an example. If you invest $1,000 and earn an annual return of 7%, in 10 years, you'll have nearly $2,000. But in 30 years, that same investment could grow to over $7,600. That's the power of compound interest and time combined. Patience is a virtue in the stock market. A long-term investment strategy can help compound your earnings and get you closer to that $1 million goal. The fourth step to making $1 million in the stock market is making regular investments and reinvesting dividends. Let's unpack this a bit. Firstly, there's a concept called dollar cost averaging. It's a strategy where you make regular investments in the stock market, regardless of the price. Let's say that sometimes you buy when the prices are high and sometimes when they're low. With regular investments, these highs and lows average out over time. This takes the guesswork out of timing the market and ensures that you're consistently adding to your portfolio. Now, let's talk about dividends. These are portions of a company's earnings that are distributed to shareholders. When you reinvest these dividends, you purchase more shares of the company. This can be a powerful way to compound your earnings. Imagine a snowball rolling down a hill, gaining more snow and momentum as it goes. That's what reinvesting dividends can do for your portfolio. So combining these two strategies, regular investments and reinvesting dividends, can set you on a steady path towards growing your wealth. It's like planting a tree and regularly watering it, while also using the fruits it bears to plant more trees. Over time, you're not just growing one tree, but an entire orchard. By making regular investments and reinvesting dividends, you can steadily build your portfolio and work your way towards that $1 million mark. Please like and share this video and subscribe our channel for more good content.